Hello everyone, in this video we will review Power Automate AI Builder document processing. Power Automate AI Builder's document processing feature helps you extract information from documents like invoices, receipts, forms, and contracts without doing it manually. It uses AI to read and pull out key data such as names, dates, amounts, and more from PDFs or scanned images. To use it, you just upload a few sample documents, then tag the fields you want the AI to learn, like invoice number or total amount. The AI then trains on these samples and builds a model that can process future documents automatically. You can connect this model to a workflow in a Power Automate, so every time a new document is received, the data gets pulled out and set to Excel, SharePoint, email, or any other app you choose. It's especially useful for businesses that handle a lot of paperwork and want to save time on data entry. While it's great for standard forms, very messy or handwritten documents may need more tuning. Overall, Power Automate AI Builder's document processing is a powerful and easy way to automate how you handle documents. It saves time, reduces error, and helps teams work more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.